Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun, no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause.
Sheesh!
Bro, this cough has got me dying.
Alright, I'm doing it, bro.
Like, you landed it once, but that's nothing if you can't land it twice. Nice.
Jesus.
How was that? Stomper.
No, actually, no.
Alright, get comfortable because you can't land it flat yet. So do more. Or a different angle. Give me another one.
Another one?
Yeah, get it consistent.
That hurt my balls.
Yeah, it does, right?
I just need to pump. All I need is a pump. Like, I swear, I feel amazing.
I wanted to practice how to spin.
I need to practice the front
I want to do a handstand spin. I'm spinning like one hand. Can't do it yet though. That was whack.
Yeah, but you gotta look whack in order to look wankers.
I quite hurt from yesterday. I took a hard fall at BMX.
Damn.
This like hurts a little bit. But I can still backflip though.
Oh, bro, the camera actually literally just fell. But do another one anyway. Do another one. Oh shit, the camera just fell again, man.
Oh my god.
No, I'm joking. This time I didn't.
Bro, you're shaking, bro. Why are you shaking so much?
Stop. Actually, stop. I'm actually gonna die.
See you, man.
Free jumper. I'm gonna leave it here. Maybe they'll find it. Maybe they'll come back for it.
Front flip, bro. Front flip. Are you pumped up now?
Yeah.
Grab your knees, bro. You gotta grab your knees. Mike, what are you doing? Front flip again on the swing.
Oh man, I can't.
Then let's go.
No, just give me some
Then do it.
But you're giving me pressure. Without pre-pressure, I'm not gonna do it.
How long is it gonna take?
I don't know. I need to just fucking decide. It's like I'm waiting for a feeling, but like The feeling, I make it. I make the feeling. I decide. I move my fucking body.
Yes. Alright. I'll do front flip then.
Alright.
Oh my god. That was not good. I still landed it.
Wait, let me see it again. I want to see it again.
Jesus. The floor, bro. The floor does it absorb the energy.
Oh, that was horrible. Are you recording, bro?
Alright.
Again? Again?
That's a stomper.
I just feel like I'm not using everything. I'm not using all my power, man.
Tomorrow. We get a drink tomorrow.
I'm not using all my power.
The floor's not letting you show the power. This is wood chips.
Fucking bitch.
This is gonna absorb your energy.
Fucking bitch. Why am I so dead inside? Oh my god. Alright. That was like top 5 lines of the year. Why am I so dead inside? Oh fuck. You fucking bitch. Come on, just fucking do it, man. It's the drugs. It was all the fucking lines I did, wasn't it? It was all the fucking lines I did. All that speed, I shouldn't have done it. Where did I take it? Alright. Bro, why are you fucking running with me? You're supposed to be there.
Bro,
Just stay there. Just stay in one spot.
well, do the flip, bro. Am I putting you off?
Yeah, go away. You're literally like confusing me.
I think it's a light. Let me make it better.
Just don't move. Just stay in one spot.
Alright, bro. Come on.
Just-
Front flip, bro.
Okay. Oh my god. I just felt the power. I felt the power for a second.
It's in the knees, bro.
It's because
The secret is the knees. You're gonna get tired, bro. It's raining, man. We have to go.
no, what I need to do is do this. All right. Stay aside. Go to another side. What's the best one so far? Still fucking shit.
Were you going for my neck, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know if it was.
Anyways. That was good progress. Tomorrow, we'll come here again.
No. You don't understand. You don't understand. What the fuck you looking at, nigga? Fucking god. Fucking bitch. You're a bitch. Your mom's a bitch. Everyone's a bitch. Including you. Nah, it has to be. It has to be a drug. It has to be. It was all those fucking mushrooms, especially the mushrooms. Especially the mushrooms.
No, who the
Those
fuck?
are
And
fucking
who the fuck in the right mind decides to take 7 grams of mushrooms in one
Don't know,
sitting?
bro. This guy told me that it was okay to do so. Oh my god. The Irish community.
Nah, it's the UK culture, bro.
Fucking drugs, man.
It's the UK culture, bro. You can literally order them like it's pizza.
Bunch of drug
You
addicts.
get a whole menu and everything.
Alright, man, just record. Just
Alright.
record.
Bro, it's wet, man. Look at the floor. It's so shambles.
Bro, look at your mom. No offense to your mom. Like your imaginary one.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Oh my god.
No, that was kind of sus.
Yeah.
Alright.
Man, like, I literally can't see the floor. I can't see shit.
Bro, it's late, bro. We have to go.
Go away. Just stand outside.
Bro, I can't see.
Fine, I'm jumping there. There.
Alright.
So don't move there. Oh my god!
That was close. Come on, another one.
Holy shit!
Do it running towards me.
I'm just self-talk. I'm just self-talking. I'm talking smack.
Come here. Another one.
Just trash talking.
Another one. Close. You actually overspun, so you actually landed on your.
Oh my god.
No, you gotta land it.
Yep. Ass. Fucking hell. Man, I'm just realizing how important self-talk is.
No, you just like to glaze yourself.
You think I just like glazing myself?
You're just glazing yourself.
I'm glazing myself. Whenever I glaze myself, I just do it. I could have landed on you. I could have. It's over. That's it. That's me for the day.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, bro. What the fuck was that?
I could have fucking died.
That was a fucking dumb knife.
That was the dive of my neck. That was the suicide bomb. that was the hate my life type bomb.
Hey, yo, it's raining hard, man. We have to go.
That was the fucking suicide thing. Holy, bro. If it wasn't for my reflexes, I wouldn't have gone.
Your reflexes? Bro, and fair enough. Because you have to put your hands out.
Yep. If I didn't put my hands out, it would have been No, I would have died. Damn, that easy. I would have died that easy, Jack. I mean, same as I'm making up.